gosh. Oh, we are now going to the lake, aren't we? Going to the lake. All right then, bye-bye. Oh, here's the lake. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, how lovely. Oh, and that's where you got it from. Yes. That's lovely. I don't know how I'm going to get up this, go all the way up there, but I have to because apparently there are beautiful views of the lake. Oh gosh. Anyway, good exercise for my little heart. Now we are at the lake at last. Can you see the snow? Do you know the name of that mountain? What's the name of that mountain? Do you know?
What's the one? Ladies Peak?
Ladies what? Ladies Peak?
Yeah, Ladies Peak.
Oh.
And second couple is Lakpa.
Oh. Right, now we got a beautiful view of the lake. Just look at that. Isn't that lovely? Just look at that.
There's mountain there.
Yes. Look at the beautiful foliage, greenery. Oh, look, there's a dam over there.
Look, beautiful house there.
Now, this is my guide, and can you believe it? I first met him when I was working in Dubai when he was a young boy.
Yeah.
How old were you then?
That time?
Yes.
I was very young. I'm 20 years old.
He was 20 years old. Yes. And look at him now, Buddha art me. No, I'm only joking. Yes, he used to work in my hotel as a porter. Yeah. And after all these years, we've got together again. Yeah. Yes. And your wife is in America at the moment. Yeah. And he's trying to go to America as well. Yeah. So best of luck with that. I hope you make it. And thank you very much for bringing me here. Beautiful place. Okay. And you live here. You come from here.
Yeah.
Look at that. How beautiful. We're going now to where you came from, yeah, no? Right. What's the name of the place again?
Chisopani.
Tishopani. Yeah. I can never pronounce it, but anyway. Thank you very much. Yes, so this is our hotel. Yes. And beautiful views, no? Yes. And you can give us heating, no? Heater. We'll bring our own heater, and you give us one heater. Okay. All right. And look at the beautiful views from here. Just look at that. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. Look at the snow. Look at the beautiful views. And this is our room, one of our rooms. And look at this beautiful... Nourish. We can come here for in the evening to have our beer, no?
Yes.
And look at the lovely view from there, Beautiful. Thank you. Look, very pleasant views, the rooms. A nice shower. Very high standard, actually. I hope there's hot water all the time. Look at this beautiful terrace just outside our room. Isn't that beautiful? Now we're going down. Very high standard. Look at all the marble. Only problem is the heating, but they said we can bring our own heaters. So we can bring that heater of mine. This is a room. These rooms are not as nice as the ones upstairs, I think. Name? Rohan? Yeah. Oh, very nice name. And how old are you?
7.
7? Oh, very good. And what on earth is this? Are these avocados?